Hello, I am Marche Ziegler. I am the owner of Breath of Life Inspirations, where my purpose is to help awaken others to their purpose. So on my website, www.breathoflifeinspirations.com, you'll see a free purpose survey. It helps you recognize what your top 3 spiritual gifts are, and then from there you'll be able to connect with God, connect with your creator, which is God, so that you can piece it all together on your passions and your purpose. So everything's on my site. It's a lot of info on there, so when you have the time, go there and check it out. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about reasons you should not wait until 2020 to create your vision board. You can go ahead and create your vision board now. Reason number 1, procrastination. Most of the time when someone waits, like if you're watching this video, most likely you were already thinking about creating a vision board. But if you're watching this, right, and it's still in 2019, because that's when I'm making it, it's actually, today is November 8th. 2019. But if you're looking at this now, then it's probably already on your mind, right? But if you put it off and say, oh, I'm just going to make the vision board in 2020, when 2020 comes around, you still may not do it until later. Here's why. Procrastination, the enemy, he comes to steal, kill, and destroy. If you're waiting around and just taking your time, chances are some kind of huge distraction is going to come and you're not going to get it done. So why wait? Go ahead and do it now. There's no reason to wait. Don't procrastinate. Number 2, the second reason you need to go ahead and create your vision board now, even though it's still 2019, you can go ahead and create it now, because if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. So what do I mean about that? If it's 2019, you're already thinking about what you want on your vision board for 2020. That means that you're ahead of the game, right? You already have ideas in your mind. You already have things that it's gonna cause you to think early. Okay, what do I want to accomplish in January? What do I want to accomplish in February? What kind of things am I gonna do for marketing? What kind of things am I gonna do to have new products or whatever it is? Gain more customers, to reach the masses more. So if you have all these things on your vision board now, as soon as 2020 hits, you're going to be ahead of the curve. January 1st, you're going to be publishing things and promoting things. Maybe December 30th, December 31st, you're going to be ahead of the game. You're going to be going into the new year already rocking and rolling. I'll give you an example. You know, most of you that have been watching me for a while, I also own a travel business. So I'm already booking trips for my customers that they're going to be taking next year. So I already have some 2020 travel checks lined up. So that's an example. It's only November, but I'm already booking trips they're going to be taking for spring break of 2020, summer 2020, birthdays of 2020. So that's just an example of how in your business you can already be sorting out and doing things and being on a mission, even though it's not 2020 yet. But those are some kind of things that you can put on your vision board. So while we're talking about vision boards, I want to talk to you about some bonus tips on ways that you can create those vision boards. You don't have to go the old school way where you go buy a poster board and you get in magazines from somewhere and literally cutting pictures out and getting glue and tape and all of that stuff, scissors. You don't have to go that route. That is one of the routes. If you're a person that is hands-on and you want to physically touch it, you can still do that. You can go to a Dollar Tree or Dollar General and get your poster board, and you can get you some scissors. You can go to maybe a thrift store or somewhere to get you some really cheap magazines in bulk for cheap, and spend some time flipping through there, getting some pictures and different things together. So you can do that. Now, on the other hand, what you can do is there's some free apps. Like one that I like is called Canva. So Canva, C-A-N-V-A. So Canva is a free app where you can, what you can do is you'll have to go to Google Images first. Just go to google.com, type Google Images, and let's say, one of your visions is a new car. I'm just gonna go, you wanna get a new car. So you may go to Google and type in a picture of the car you want, or just the words new car, screenshot that, or save it to your phone, go to Canva and you can upload that picture onto like a little blank board, and you can put different pictures on one little board, and once you're done, you have a collage. It's like a electronic collage. You can text it to yourself, you can email it to yourself, you can just have it in your phone, whatever you want to do with it. So you can do it electronically, or you can create, which is with Canva and Google, or you can do it physically by going and buying an actual board and pictures and things like that. So those are some things there. My last tip for you is on your vision board to think about things you want to accomplish in 2020 only. Sometimes people have things on their vision board and they wonder why they never get it accomplished by the end of that year, where you're putting things on there that's probably going to take 2-3 years. That's your 2-3 year, 5-year goals. Only put some things on there that are considered kind of short term is my tip for the vision board, so that you can really be checking those things off the list. So what do I mean by that? All right, so let's say you want to I want to get my Connect with Your Creator brand to be $1 million company. Am I going to do that in 1 year? With God's grace, anything is possible. But if I want to just think, okay, how quickly can that happen? Well, I don't need to be a millionaire or get this to a millionaire to be $1 million brand in 2020. I would probably say I'm going to increase my marketing. So I'm going to scale my audience so I can reach a larger group of people. There may be some people in the UK that like this. Some people, let me reach some Canada, some everywhere. So if you want to reach more people, then I would probably put that on there. So I want to reach people in this state, this location, and actually put the location and then figure out how I can reach them online. How can I get to these people online electronically with technology, right? So that's something I would put as a starter, reaching more people, and ways that I'm going to reach more people will be, to get into specifics. So have fun. Yes, you should go ahead and create your vision board now. Do not wait to 2020. Go ahead and get it out of the way. And not only get it out of the way by creating it, you can actually start working on the goals that you have listed on there now too. I had bought a new Bible about a month ago, and in the back of the Bible, it said it was a 1-year plan of how you can read the entire Bible. And then it has January 1st, read these chapters. January 2nd, read these chapters. And I thought about it. Why would I wait to January to start on this 1-year plan? I can start this 1-year plan now, even though it says January. I can still be in November, October, go ahead and then read these chapters. You don't have to wait. All right? Don't procrastinate. Don't wait. And again, I'm Marsha Ziegler. You can reach me at www.breathoflifeinspirations.com. Share this video, like, comment. And if you're interested in the merch, which is to help people slow down their busy lives and to realize that, hey, you need to take time throughout your day to connect with your Creator. Pray, seek from the source. Seek from the source, the well, the living well, which is God. All right, you guys have a great night.